Here's application problem number 7 in your textbook. We have two fire lookout stations that are 20 miles apart. So here's station A, and here's station B, and they are 20 miles apart from each other. Both stations spot a fire on a mountain to the north. They begin with bearings. So we did learn about bearings in Unit 5, where you go north to south. So the first bearing in the north-south line is 50 degrees to the east. So this direction is east. The other bearing on station B, here's your north-south line, is 36 degrees to the west. How far to the nearest tenth of a mile is fire station A from the fire? So here's your fire sitting up here, and we want to find this distance. So that's going to be our unknown. So we have a triangle. In the black. And to find these measures of these angles, this is a right triangle. So if this is 50 degrees, that would be 40. If this is 36 degrees, this would be 54. All right. So we need to find that distance B. So I'm going to redraw this triangle in the black. Here's angle C. Here's angle A, sitting at 40 degrees. Here's side C with 20 miles. Angle B of 54 degrees. And then we have little b here and little a there. And our goal is to find side B. We're not able to use the law of sines yet because we don't have a pair. We don't have something like big C and little c. So we need to find that first. So step 1 is to find big C. How we find angle C is the triangle sum theorem. 180 degrees, subtract angle A and B. So angle C equals 180 degrees, subtract angle A, which is 40, angle B, which is 54, and we get that to be 86 degrees. So my suggestion is you would go back to this picture and label that as 86 degrees. Now we have a pair. We have that red angle A or angle C and the red side C. Now we can find side B. So here is angle B, here's side B. We're going to use the law of sines. So we set up our proportions. Sine of C over C, sine of B over B, and sub in what we know. Angle C is 86 degrees. Side A is our 20 miles. Sine of B, which is 54 degrees. Side B is unknown. Cross multiply and undo. So multiply both sides by, here's your butterfly, B, sine of 86 degrees, equals 20 times the sine of 54 degrees. Here's your other half of your butterfly. Now we undo, so we want to isolate that B. So we divide both sides by the sine of 86 degrees. Type it into our calculator. Just going to move this off to the side a little bit. Here's my calculator. 20 sine of 54, enter, divided by the sine of 86, enter, and here's what we get. 16.2. So B is about 16.2. What is the units? Miles. What did we just find? Let's go back up. I don't know if I can. Sorry. That's that distance in our triangle, where here is our fire station, or our lookout station to the fire. And it is 16.2 miles away. Please reach out to me if you have questions, and love to help you. Good luck with your homework.